Shri Jitwahan Gurao, Sub-Divisional Police Officer Koderma, Honorable Guest of Honor, Shri Ashok Kumar Singh, Principal DAV Public School Bahi, Madam Ashok Kumar, all the teachers, participants, and of course the cause of this program, all the PATs from various schools of DAV of the zone. I extend my hearty welcome to all of you to this inaugural ceremony of DAV Sports Kabaddi and Football Tournament at cluster level being held on the premises of PVSS DAV Public School Koderma. A great corporate welcome to offer to all of you. Let me tell that today's occasion of this inaugural function has become momentous with the august presence of Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Shri Jitwahan Gurao sir. In a very short notice of request, he agreed to do us the highest job of just coming and motivating the children. Sir, we have a very rich tradition in DAV, and the tradition is that we pay equal importance on academic sports and of course co-curricular activities in cultural program as well. So this is the time of the sports. We have always been lighting the lamp of excellence in academic part. At the same time, we have also been laying emphasis on sports as well. In sports, those students who emerge victorious, they are rewarded with trophies and certificates. The certificates have a lot more value in the sense that they are associated with, they are affiliated with SCFI of India, and whenever they have to go to any institute, there is some relaxation in the points. So all those sports personalities who are standing before you, they are the national, most of them are the national performers. Their vigor, their energy, their buoyancy, their vitality is well represented in the field by their presence and vigorous activity they take part in. Sir, the children, by growing up, they are going to be Kapil Dev, they are going to be main sports player like जो javelin throw वाला सर DAVian है. हमारे Kapil Dev are brightening the name of DAV organization in various arenas. Wherever they go, may it be shot throw, javelin throw, and discus throw, in athletics, football, kabaddi, chess. This way, we have listed 25 events of sports, and in all those 25 events our participants take part. Naturally, their personality growth takes place. Table tennis, lawn tennis, all these opportunities and platforms are offered to the children so that the children who have the latent talent in whatever they are born with, they may take part in that and they can show their mettle over there. So, children, I wish all of you very best of luck. At the same time, I would say that you play with the spirit of sportsmanship. Winning and losing don't matter. What matters is participation with full devotion and commitment. You must have proper coordination with each of you, because football and kabaddi, they both are such a game in which you need perfect coordination. Your agility, smartness, speed, stamina, all these things will combine together to convert your effort into a goal and victory. So work hard, leave no stone unturned, sweat blood in the ground, and pitch the flag of excellence of the school of your own school, I mean, from where you have come. Finally, the name of the organization will be written in luminous words, very bright in words of excellence. Thank you very much. At the same time, I would like to say, sir, thank you आपका आना हम सबों के लिए बहुत बहुत मोटिवेशन रहा. आप आए तो थोड़ा हम लोगों में एक जोश खरोश भी आया है. Otherwise, it might have been quite silent. और प्रिंसिपल साहब आए हैं, ये हमारे member of jury appeal to hota hai, if there is any kind of dispute arising, he will look after it. He will be just supervising the whole activity. Later on, we shall be attended. We shall be joined by our honorable Assistant Regional Officer of DMV Municipal Jharkhand Zone. In the closing ceremony, he is the chief guest, and by his hands, the trophies and medals will be awarded to the victorious participants. Thank you very much. All the best.